Number 7, conjunction. Conjunction, that a conjunction is a word used to join words or sentences. Used to join two or more words or sentences. वो लफ्ज जो किसी दो लफ्ज या दो जुमले को आपस में जोड़ता है, हम उसे इंग्लिश में conjunctions कहते हैं. As for example, Alice and Farisa are sisters. The word and is conjunction. 2 and 2 make 4. The word and, it is also conjunction. He is poor but honest. The word but is joining the two sentences. Joining the two words, poor and honest. So the word but is conjunction. Anzar and Umar can play cricket. Anzar and Umar. The word and is joining the two words Anzar and Umar. So the word and is also conjunctions. Now, number 8, interjection. Interjection. An interjection is a word which expresses sudden feeling. As for example, how cold it is. How. The word how. It is interjection. Hooray, we won the match. Hooray. It is interjection. Oh, I feel pain. Oh, the word oh, it is interjection. Wonderful. The play hit the 6. Wonderful. Word is also interjection. It is interjection. Interjection वो लफ्ज जिससे अचानक किसी खुशी या गम का इजहार किया जाए, हम उसे इंटरजेक्शन कहते हैं. और कॉन्जक्शन बताया मैंने अभी भी, वो है दो लफ्ज या जुमलों को आपस में जोड़ता है. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच. ओके, प्लीज लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब. इस टीचर की हौसला अफजाई करें. ठीक है, अल्लाह हाफिज दुआओं के साथ.